Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BlendedByDee and I am back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my lashes. I'm going to be doing individuals again. This is going to be a part 2 to my viral little dollar lash video that you guys absolutely loved. So I'm here again with another updated tutorial on how I do my individual lashes. So these are going to be the lashes I'm using today. They were $2.99 at the hair store. And of course, y'all, I'm going to be using hair glue. Safest glue to me. You know, I don't recommend you using their the individual eyelash glue when you're doing your own lashes, because that shit burns bad. So I recommend doing hair glue. I use hair glue. If you use anything else, let me know in the comments. But hair glue works for me. Then you're going to need a pair of tweezers, of course, and some scissors. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, ladies, so this is what the pack is going to look like. I would definitely recommend always using, if you're liking the wispy, individual, natural looking lashes, definitely always get something that says 3D, because you need that like layer effect. I don't know if you can really see in the pack, but you need those like layer effects, so then that way, you know, you get that wispy look. Okay, so then you also like to get them spacey, because those individual spaces that you see, we are going to be using the scissors to cut those out. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now, is cut those individual lashes out. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start by cutting the lashes. So I cut, like I said, in between, if you can see the gaps in between the lashes, that is where you would cut them at, and kind of cut them in an order, and like where they fall in an order, so that way you can keep up with what goes at the end or what goes at the beginning, like your longest strand and your shortest strand. Okay, so I'm starting with my longest piece, and I am dipping it into my glue, of course, and I'm going to be sticking it onto my eye. Now, pay attention, because I usually do from my outside corners into my inside corners. I just find that that's the easiest way for me, and I tried my absolute best to make sure I got in the camera this time for this lash video, but I want you guys to peep the placement of where I put the lash. Like, you're not supposed to put it on your waterline nor your hair, because again, like if you sweat or water drips and stuff, like it can slide off of your hair. It's like a little in between space where you stick the where you stick the lashes at. But I show you that like 1,000 times in this video. Okay, so just keep watching and looking at the placement. Alright ladies, so this is what one eye looks like completed. Now we're on to the next. Okay, ladies, so this is what the classic set looks like. So I achieved this look using only one pack of eyelashes, and you guys clearly seen step by step how I completed this. This look is very cute if you're like the normal everyday, you just want something lightweight to wear. Very pretty, very natural. As you can see, I'm showing you guys the placement of where I put the lashes. I tried my best throughout the video to keep showing you the placement of them because that matters. I just wanted to show you guys the difference between the volume and the classic. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my volume set. Okay, so now we're moving on to our second pack of lashes, which is where we're going to be doing our volume set at. So now I'm just going to be doing the same steps I did previously. I'm going to be cutting the lashes in the gaps, of course, and I'm going to be gluing it. But this time, instead of under your eye, I'm going to be gluing it on top of my eye. So you guys, I'm super, super, super sorry, but you cannot see this process. I thought I was in camera, but when I look back, of course, I was not in camera, right? Of course, of course. But I'm going to try my best to explain it. So basically, I just put the eyelash on top of my actual eyelash. It's so hard for me to explain. Like, I'm so upset that it did not, like, show. But literally, I'm just going to take, like, the longest piece, and I'm going to go on top of my lashes. Now, you can double up underneath your eye, but again, that can cause irritation. And, you know, you'll be able to see your lashes, and no. So my new way and method I've seen is just to put the lashes on the top. And that is how I did my volume lashes. Okay, ladies, this is what the volume set came out like. Very pretty, very bold. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Send a friend to my channel. And yeah, we'll see you soon.